Alright, here we have a 124 scale Dodge Challenger. This is a Maisto, whichever. I say Maisto. I think that's really what it is. That's what it is. That's what it is in my house. 2008 SRT8. Somebody looked, they had a lighter color, orange color to them. This looks almost like more of a burnt orange. The other look more like a, I guess what they would call a Hemi orange, or Hugger orange maybe. But anyway, here's what it is. Pretty cool looking color anyway. This one, no police car. This one's going to be for the same customer that has the black Honda, the green Mitsu, and the other one that I've done with the underlighting on them. This one also has that as well. Headlights, taillights, and then the lighting underneath. Nothing too crazy anywhere else. Like I said, just the basic headlight, taillight, and lights underneath. You see the main power switch right here. You see some LEDs too, right? Turn this on. Went with the orange ones under this one. Headlights, front park lights. Of course, lower fog lights on there, auxiliary driving lights. A couple of orange LEDs underneath in the front. Let's kill this right here. Orange lights underneath. The front, you've got 2 on each side. 2 back here in the rear, of course, your tail lights. 2 in the rear. And then, of course, this side as well has 2. Again, with the camera, has a tendency, the LEDs, to pick them up. It's more of a spot more than it is like a flood type light, which that's why I've trimmed the LEDs down. When you use those 3mm domed LEDs, have a tendency to just make a point, most of them, because the viewing angle is so small on them. I usually just take a cutoff wheel on my Dremel, like this, and you see some little bit of glue threads around there. Anyway, just take the top off of that and then cut them down kind of flat, and then it causes the light to diffuse a little bit. Gives it a little bit more of a flood look instead of a spot look. So anyway, there you have it. We'll get this shipped out. We're going to try to do it tomorrow. So I'll be out of town this weekend, but try to get this out to you tomorrow with your other cars and get them headed up your way. I know I think someone there at the house is pretty excited to get these, so we will get them shipped out to you tomorrow. I appreciate all the orders. I did receive the other payment, by the way. I think I told you, but I did get the other payment, so I'll get this taken care of and get it shipped out to you guys. Thank you so much for the orders. I appreciate it.